Installing your beautiful new panel blind couldn't be simpler. First, decide on where you'll be installing the brackets. The brackets offer two methods of fixing. You can top fix the brackets to the top of the recess, or face fix them onto a wall or window frame. If you're fitting the blind inside a recess, make sure that the brackets are fitted far forward enough that the blind will clear any window handles protruding from the window. Top fixing is the most common method of installation. Face fixing is usually used when fitting the blind outside the recess, as the brackets must be attached to the wall or to a wooden batten or architrave. It can also prove the quickest method of installing if you have a wooden window frame, though in this case, don't forget to check that the blind will clear any handles protruding from the window. The outermost brackets should be located around 50mm in from the sides of the recess, with the additional brackets spaced evenly across the width of the blind. Once you've decided where you'll fit your brackets, use a pencil to mark the positions of the screw holes. Use a small size 3 drill bit to drill pilot holes first, then open those out with a size 6 drill bit for a neat finish and an easier install. Tap a rawl plug into each hole, then screw the brackets firmly in place. Next, you can install the rail. Note that for wider blinds, 2 rails will be provided, which are connected together using a fixing plate and screws. To fit the rail, hook the front lip of the head rail into the front lip of the bracket, then raise the back of the blind and press up firmly until it snaps into place. Ensure that the rail is securely held by each bracket. Take the control wand from the packaging and simply hook it into the eyelet at the end of the frontmost glider. If your blind has a split stack, then there'll be 2 wands, one for each of the frontmost panels. Finally, attach the fabric panels to the gliders using the Velcro at the top of each panel. And that's it! Your new blind is installed and ready to enjoy. If you have any problems fitting your blinds, our friendly customer service team are always happy to help 7 days a week. Made to measure, made simple.